Okay, this is way simpler than you think. I'm using this photo because it's one of the only ones I could find of a person standing head to toe that isn't too distorted by the camera lens. And now you have this object selection tool. Make sure you press and hold to click between the different types of object selection tools. You want this one. And I'll click and drag around this person, and it takes a second and it knows that that's what I want. I can edit the marquee, the selection by zooming in. I'm holding Alt and using the mouse scroll, holding Alt and clicking and dragging around spots to remove that spot from the selection. Say I don't want to keep that piece of the shoelace. Say I want to add this. I can't tell if that's part of their shoe or something. I'll just pretend it is. Holding Shift and dragging around will add. So I can remove a little bit of that, and good enough. Okay. Control C copies. Control N makes a new document. I'm not changing any of this. Pressing Create. Control V pastes it. I can go to View Rulers and put this in inches. Right now it's 18 some inches. It's not to any particular scale. But if I take the height, and let me just crop it in a tiny bit to just be accurate, sure. Let's say that this is 5'11". Well, you shouldn't need a calculator, but here we are. 5'11" equals 71 inches. 71, and if it's 1/16 scale, 71 divided by 16 equals 4 and 7/16 inches. If this was 3/16, it's 71 divided by this times that. But if we're doing 1/16 scale, then that's how tall it would have to be. There's a 4.4375, right? Yeah. So then image size, switch this resolution to 300, and then switch the height to, what was it, 4.4375. Wait, 4.4375. Okay, and okay. So now it's the right scale at 1/16. So I can remove this solid white layer, file, save as copy, change the type to a PNG, which can save transparency, and I'm going to save it as this person scale 1/16, and I'm replacing it because I made one before. And now I can bring that PNG into Rhino later on, though it will be to scale, so then you want to multiply it up to get it to be like full scale. Regardless, I can print this out if I make a new document that is inches 17 wide by 11 tall, and importantly 300 pixels per inch, which matches this. Then I can, on this layer, copy, go to this one, paste, and if I add other scale figures, then I can like print them all out, and they're all to 1/16. Say I want to change this to be 3/32. Well, I don't know what the decimal of that is, so then let's just go to format number 6.66. Spooky Halloween. Okay. Control copy. Sure, I'll just make a new one. And then paste. Image size. What was it? The height. 6.66. Okay. Okay. Hide that layer. Save it. Sure. I'm just doing it to make sure it's this layer that I'm copying. move it over to this sheet. And there's the 3/32. There's the 1/16. Get it? All you got to do is take the outline of the person, copy, make a new thing, just the size that it is, paste it, hide this other layer, go to image size, and make the new height, whatever height they are in inches, divided by the bigger number. If you're, 1/8 scale, it's going to come out as 8.88. So then I can change this to 8.88 at 300 inches, 300 pixels per inch. Okay, select everything again, copy it, go to an 11:17 that's also 300 pixels per square inch. I'm just doing the same thing. This is going to just keep happening, This is just going to keep getting bigger and bigger and so on. You get it. It's simple.